Assalamu alaikum, guys. How are you all? I hope you're all doing great. Guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about the latest update from the eBlock mining application, including its P2P price, what its possible listing price could be, and the complete details about the latest update. Before we get into the details, I have a small request for all my brothers and sisters. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Also, I've attached the links to my WhatsApp A channels in the description. Make sure to join them because you'll get the latest updates about airdrops and new mining platforms there first. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Guys, if you have already joined the eBlock mining application and you're mining regularly every day, then that's great. But if you haven't joined this project yet, you'll find the joining link and referral code in the video description. Simply follow the steps and create your account. After creating your account, you just need to click the mine button once and your mining session will start for the next 24 hours. Apart from mining, you can also earn USDT through their red packets. Let me explain how. Inside the application, there is a chat room. At the bottom, you'll see the chat option. I'll also show you where it is because many users don't know about this feature. Click on the chat option and then open the group. Red packets are regularly shared inside this is group. Let me explain how. Inside the application, there is a chat room. At the bottom, you'll see the chat option. I'll also show you where it is because many users don't know about this feature. Click on the chat option and then open the group. Red packets are regularly shared inside this group. Whenever a racket appears, you can click on it and claim it. If you're among the users who successfully claim it, you can receive USDT. For example, you can see a red packet here. You simply click on it and the USDT reward can appear inside your account. These rewards can also be withdrawn according to the platform's available withdrawal options. Red packets are shared on a daily basis. Sometimes there may be 5, sometimes 10, and sometimes even fewer. So, if you want to benefit from them, you need to remain active in the group because these red packets are usually available for a limited number of users. Sometimes a red packet may be available for only 200 users or even fewer. Since there are a huge number of people in the group, the users who are active have a better chance of getting these rewards. Now let's move toward the latest and new update. For that, we need to visit the official eBlock website. I'm opening the official website so I can explain everything to you clearly. Yesterday, after I shared this update on WhatsApp, many users messaged me asking, "Sir, how has P2P started when our KYC hasn't even been completed?" Now let's move toward the latest and new update. For that, we need to visit the official eBlock website. I'm opening the official website so I can explain everything to you clearly. Yesterday, after I shared this update on WhatsApp, many users messaged me asking, "Sir, how has P2P started when our KYC hasn't even been completed?" So guys, I'm going to explain the complete situation in today's video. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's scroll down a little. Here you can see the latest update on the official website. The private sale has now started. But guys, remember one very important thing. This is not a public sale. The private sale is only available to a limited number of users, especially those who previously joined the project's whitelist. I'll also explain what the whitelist is and how users qualify for it. First, let's understand this update. This is a private sale, not a public sale. Not everyone can participate or purchase tokens through this sale. According to the information shown, around 5 million tokens have been allocated for the private sale, and the average pre-sale price is around $7. The reported P2P price is around $06, which is approximately 20 Pakistani rupees per token. But guys, there is something very important you need to understand. This is a private sale. No free tokens have been distributed to users, and no token migration has taken place yet. That's why many users are confused and asking, how KYC hasn't been completed, so how did people receive these tokens? The answer is simple. This is a private sale. These users did not receive free tokens. They simply got an opportunity to participate in the early private presale because they joined the project at as an early stage and were included in the whitelist. However, guys, I would not recommend that you participate in the presale or invest your money. Our focus should simply be on doing the free work and mining the tokens without investing any money. Let me explain this even more clearly. I'm opening my WhatsApp channel because I have already shared the complete details there. If you haven't joined my WhatsApp channel yet, make sure to join it. I shared this update there last night, and many users were messaging me personally asking, Sir, our KYC hasn't been completed. So, how has P2P started? So, let me make this clear. The pre-sale round 1 has started. The reported token price in this round is around $0.066, which is approximately 20 Pakistani rupees. According to the information shared, there will be a total of 4 pre-sale rounds, and the price is expected to increase with each round. The project team claims that the presale price could potentially increase up to around $2 in later rounds. I'm specifically talking about the presale price here. The team has also made claims regarding a possible future listing price in USDT. But guys, as of now, the KYC process for regular users has not started. Token migration has also not started for regular users, and no free tokens have been transferred into users' wallets by the project yet. The P2P feature for regular mining users may take some time. Hopefully, within around 1.5 to 2 months, P2P could become available for users who are currently mining tokens for free. Similarly, we can expect the tokens of eligible users to be migrated to their wallets after the migration process begins. Now let's talk about the whitelist and how you can qualify for it. I have already explained the details in my previous video. The whitelist is mainly for early users who join the project at an early stage. You need to have at least 210 verified users. A verified user means someone you invited whose email verification has been completed, meaning their account is properly verified. Once you have 210 verified users, you need to click on the community membership option and apply from there. The team will then review your application and verify whether you actually have 210 verified members your team. If you meet their requirements, they may add you to the whitelist. So guys, I hope everything is clear now. This is a private sale, not a public sale. No free token distribution has taken place. Regular user migration has not started, and tokens have not yet been transferred into regular users' wallets. The private sale has been launched for eligible early users who are included in the whitelist. Overall, guys, it looks like a promising project, but my advice is to focus on the free mining. I do not recommend investing money in any presses. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section and I'll try my best to reply. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you found the video helpful, please like the video and leave a nice comment. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself and this channel. Jazak Allah khair.